Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. And today we're going to learn about polygons. What is polygons? How much measure each interior exterior angles? Okay, those are the questions that we should learn today. Okay, so a polygon is a closed figure formed by three or more line segments called sides. Okay, the sum of the interior angle measures the sum of the measure of the interior angle in any polygon can be determined by the number of triangle that can be drawn within the polygon. So meaning say if you can draw two triangles in a figure, that means the sum of the triangle can be found using that concept. What do we know about triangle? Triangle has equal to 180 degrees. Remember that. Let's complete the table and look at the pattern to find the sum of the degrees of any polygon. If I have a triangle here, the number of sides is 3, but I can only draw one triangle. There's no way I can do that one. The sum of this one is equal to 180. If I have a quadrilateral, means four-sided, I have four sides here, and the number of triangles here that I can form is 2. And what's the sum of that one? The sum of that one is 360. So basically, what you notice so far, I have a 1 here, I multiply by 180. I have 2 here, I multiply by 180, I get 360. So it depends on the number of triangles you can form. Let's do the pentagon. If I put it here, I draw one triangle, two triangle, and three triangles. So I have 5 sides here, and the number of triangles I can form is 3. 3 times 180, 3 times 180 will give me 540. Next, I have here hexagon with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 6 sides, but I can form 4 triangles. So 4 times 180 will give me 720. What do you notice, guys? The number of sides of a polygon minus 2 will always give me the number of triangles I can form and multiply by 180. And that's the formula. So therefore, if n represents the number of sides of a polygon, then the sum of the interior angle S can be found using the formula S is equal to the number of sides of a polygon minus 2 times 180 degrees. Very simple, right? So find the sum of the measures of the interior angle in each polygon. 15 gone. So that means there are 15 sides on this polygon. So I'm going to 15 minus 2 times 180. 15 times 2 is 13. 13 times 180 will give us 2340 degrees. Very easy. If I have a 21 gone, so that means 21 minus 2 times 180. That gives us 19 times 180 will give us 3,420 degrees. Very simple, right? Regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides are congruent, meaning, therefore, all angle measures are congruent. Meaning say if you have a regular polygon, all sides there are going to be congruent. Therefore, all the angle measures interior are going to be congruent. So imagine if we have regular pentagon. So if we draw a regular pentagon, let's say all the sides are equal. That means I know that this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, that angle, all those 5 angles needs to have a congruent angle. So how do you find the angle measures of each interior angle? First, we apply the sum interior angles. So by using n minus 2 times 180, there are 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 times 180, that will give us 3 times 180, and that equals to 540. And we will divide it by by the number of sides. How many sides do we have here? It's 5 sides, so divide by 5. So 540 divided by 5 will give us 108 degrees each. So each of them will have a 108, 108, 108, 108, 108. Very simple. So the formula there was S equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. This is for each interior angle. Okay, let's do the next one. If we have a regular 18 gun, so we know the side there is 18, so the formula will be 18 minus 2 times 180 over 18. So 16 times 180 is 2880, 2880 divided by 18. That means each angle, each interior angle will be equal to 160 degrees. Kaboom. Sum of the exterior angle measurement. Okay. Exterior angle are supplementary to their adjacent interior angle. So means say we know if we have a regular if we have a polygon like this, the red one, if we extend each side there, we draw a linear pair. And a linear pair we know is 108 degrees, right? That's 108 degrees there. So if we look at it that way, how much will be this angle here? So we know 180 minus 79 will give us 101. This one here will be supplementary to 61. So 180 minus 61 will give us 119. And this 40 here, when that's a supplementary, so 180 minus 40 is equal to 104 degrees. So now, what do you think will happen if I add all of this exterior angles? So 119 plus 101 plus 140, the answer is 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angle is 360 degrees. Is that true only for triangle? Let's see for a quadrilateral. If this one here is 71, 124, 7689, this will be supplementary. So 180 minus 71 is going to be 109. This 124, so 180 minus 124 is going to give me 56. And 180 minus 76 will give us 104. And 180 minus 89 will give us 91. So I'm going to add all of those exterior angles. So 109 plus 56 plus 104 plus 91. That gives me a 360 degrees. To make the story short, to find the measure of exterior angle on the polygon, it's always equal to 360 if you add them all up. So the sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360. No matter how many sides you have, it's always going to be equal to 360. Okay, let's try this one here. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon? Okay, so we know hexagon has 6 sides. 6 sides. So therefore, 360 divided by 6 will give us, obviously, it's going to be 60. So each of them will be 60 degrees. If we have a 24 gon, what is the measure of exterior angle of a regular 24 gon? So 360 divided by 24. So 360 divided by 24. That will give us 15 degrees each of them. Okay, and there you have it. And that's how you find the interior and exterior angles of a regular or a polygon. Okay, and as always,